Okay, so basically what we're going to be doing today is just basically opening up your Google SketchUp 7. It should be an icon on your desktop. Open that and just start using SketchUp. Today we're going to be making a nice solid house with a maybe broken window. Maybe we could have Chen in there. Who knows? But I think we should definitely have Chen in there because it's a really good 3D experience to have someone inside the actual house that you actually made. So I know. Okay. Start off with just clicking your rectangle button, going off barely to the side, and just making a little rectangle around Chen. Good. Now take your push-pull option and push-pull this object all the way up over Chen. Good job. Now, once done, use your orbit button and rotate this. It's going to seem quite long, but just zoom out and it won't look so big anymore. Okay, so now take your drawing utensil, or take your drawing rectangle utensil, make a rectangle. This should indicate the door. Let's make this a little smaller. Perfect size door. Okay, now we're going to make some windows. Click on the circle button. Just make I want a kind of big circle, so I'm going to start at the bottom and just work my way up. There. Looks like a little tunnel now. Okay, next step. Use your orbit button and orbit this way. Time to make your roof. Take your pencil option, go right in the middle of the rectangle right there, and just make a little roof. Don't worry about accuracy. It's always hard on the first time to do these things. It takes time. Okay, good. Now that you have a roof, we're going to use our push-pull option and push-pull these two. See, this isosceles triangle. We're just going to push this back a little bit. Good. Now we have a nice inclined figure. Now use your orbit button. Orbit to this side. Take your push-pull option and push back this one. Good. Now you have a roof. Orbit back around to where your door is. You should see a door and a circle. Use your eraser option and erase the very edge of the bottom of the door. It should cut open like an actual door. Now do the same for the circle. It should be open. You shall now see Chen inside the house. Press Edit and undo erase. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Window, Materials, and we're going to make a little, let's see, we're going to paddle the side in. Nice. Use your orbit button and keep going 360 around the house until you actually have this done. Oh, didn't want to do that, so I'm going to undo paint. Anytime you draw something and you want to get out of it quickly, just use the escape button. It's the fastest way to get out of sticky situations, especially when you're making houses. Or 3D animation for that figure. Okay, so we're going to go to paint. We're going to paint the side. Now we're going to use our orbit button. Orbit around to this side. Unzoom a little bit. And we're going to paint this. Okay, so you basically have 360 view of what the house is going to look like. Well, it's got siding and stuff on it now. Okay, next step. Go to Window. Go to Materials. Go to, let's see, Could go to roofing. Pick any shingle that you'd like. Just paint it. Use your orbit button and orbit to the other side. Now paint that. Good. Now you have a shingled house. This is a small but basic step. Use your eraser button and erase this circle. Okay, now you see what it's like inside the house. Again, for this matter, you can use your rectangle button to make any windows you'd like, or just simply click the window button and you could click on materials and you could make carpeting, or you could color the walls whatever color you like. You could do whatever you'd like. Thank you for watching. This has been another SketchUp Pro video. Please rate, comment, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.